Here we have unnecessary calculations. What if we replace each pixel of a phone with LED diodes? The most common type of LED is 5mm LEDs. The top lens-shaped part has a diameter of 5mm, and the bottom section of it has a cylindrical shape with a 5.9mm diameter. Here, to have a dense display, we put LEDs as close together as possible. iPhone 14 display is made out of around 1100 times 2500 pixels. Now, if each pixel has the same diameter as LED light, then the size of the rebuilt screen would be around 15 meter in length and 7 meter in width. Now you can understand more this high number of the phone's pixels. This area is equal to the area of this 5-bedroom house. In this area, you can fit 12 regular cars near each other. This area for Sony Xperia XZ Premium, which has the highest pixel density among all phones with PPI density of 807, would be equal to around 23 times 13 meter square, which is an insane number. That would be bigger than a tennis court. It is somehow very insane how many pixels they can put in the small screen of the phone. Thanks a lot. I hope I can see you next time.